Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. Today we're going to be waxing our brows using a wax pot for the first time. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. I think you pronounce the brand Katamu. This is a Korean beauty brand. They're so kind to send me over a wax pot to try out and test out. You get the wax kit, and then you get pamphlets and directions, instructions to help you wax correctly. And this comes with hard wax. So you get 2 packs for thick hair and then 2 packs for thin or fine hair. The pink one is for the thin and fine hair, and then the white one you are gonna use for your body hair. So sent the wax sticks over. Everything I pretty much need to start waxing. We're gonna do this step by step with each other. So we're gonna use the hard wax, you guys. It's best for face and eyebrows. Target thin, fine hair. So we're gonna use this. We have our step by step little pamphlet here that's gonna take us through every step. So we're doing this the correct way. This is my first time waxing at home, so we're gonna do this together. In this video, we are gonna be pro waxers, you guys. Start the temperature setting. So we're gonna set the temperature to 150. I'm gonna pour the beads in there. Okay, so while that is melting, we need to get it up to 150, so it needs to be good and hot. So we basically want the wax to look like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. We want it to be basically solid, we want it to stick to the stick, not runny like it's showing here. I don't know if y'all can see that. So if it's dripping off of the actual stick, it's too hot and too loose and we can't use it. We want it to basically stick like this is showing in the, oh, I hope y'all can see that. I went ahead and cut the pot up because the second method says to set the temperature to maximum until the beads are halfway melted, then adjust to 150. So I think that's how it's gonna melt a little faster, so that's what I'm gonna do. A little close up of how my brows are looking now. Like I said, I don't have too much hair, but they definitely can use some cleaning up, so. Wax looks like it's good and pretty much melted. So I'm gonna let it cool down. It's still at 204. The wax is ready. Let's do it. I test it out on the wrist to see if it's warm enough. And basically, I think it's good. Where am I? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So when it says you can touch it without it being sticky, then that means it's ready to use. Then you just, here we go. Oh God, y'all. Let me just say this looks so much easier done than actually doing it. Okay, it says leave on for 30 to 45 seconds. I was trying it in a small space just because I want to make sure I'm doing this right. It says pull the skin and lift and quickly remove anything come off. Okay, we got some hair. We got some hair, y'all, but some's on there. Okay, those practice run, practice run. Okay. And then we flick, flick, and pull. Got a little bit of hair on that one too. I like this, you guys. Here, there we go. And then, ooh, I probably used a little bit too much, but that's okay. You want to tap, make sure it's not too sticky. We're gonna wait 30 to 45 seconds to allow the wax to harden. When the wax is no longer sticky to the touch, it is ready to be removed. So as you can see, when I put it on the first time, like I said, I got kind of messy with it, but as it was, I could still feel it warm. That is not when you want to remove it. You want to remove it when you can do this, then it's ready to be removed. So we're gonna flick, 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 flick. Woo! Now that got hair off. Yes, look at that. That definitely did it, you guys. Hold on. Can you see that? That definitely did it. And I felt how it feels when you get your brows waxed. Yes. This is definitely going to take practice. Is this how it's supposed to look, you guys? Like, is this what they're doing while we're laying back? Is this how the wax looks? In my mind, the wax is like a straight strip, like a piece of tape, and then you flick it off. Is it supposed to do this? Y'all let me know in the comments what's happening. But I think we're doing good. I think we're doing good for our first time. Still a little. Sometimes things can be so complex or seem so complex until you actually try it. When you know how to kind of use it, then you can do it how, you know, what works for you. I don't think I did good with this one. Woo! That stung a little bit. It does say if you can't remove all the hair, it does say that it's probably not long enough. And like I said, I just, not waxed, but I just did my brows like with the razor myself about a week ago. So every piece of hair is not coming up, and it's probably because they're not long enough. Now we're gonna do the top part of the brows, you guys. Let's try that again. It's supposed to be parallel to. Okay guys, so this is what the brows are looking like. I feel like I did a pretty good job for the first time. Like I said, the little pieces, the little hairs did not come off completely with the wax because again, they were not long enough. So I do like this kit. I'm going to definitely keep practicing and working on getting the technique down of how much I'm putting on there, how much I think I need, and then removing or disconnecting the extra wax from the actual stick because it can get messy. But overall, I like this. I like this kit. I think it's very easy to use. I think the directions that they sent were very straightforward. If you follow the directions correctly, you will be able to do this. Again, I think it's all about just the technique when you're doing it, like your technique, how to get the wax off quickly enough, dipping, getting to the brows quick enough to where the wax is not cooling down. So I do like that. We didn't burn ourselves. That is success. Again, the brows look good. This week is Amazon Prime week, you guys. So if you want to purchase this, make sure you hit the link in the description box below and go ahead and get this while you can get it at its best deal during Amazon Prime week. Thank you to Katamu for sending this wax kit over. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. I'm going to keep trying it, like I said, and figure out the technique and what works for me. Again, make sure you guys are hitting those deals up on Amazon Prime. That's going to conclude this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, cheers to happy and healthy skin. Bye.